Hey friends, welcome back to our new video. In this one, we're going to talk about Babylon Coin, also known as Baby Coin. There are a lot of questions right now. Can Baby Coin really hit $1 in the future? What's going on with the price? And is the Binance listing rumor true? Let's break everything down and clear all your doubts about Baby Coin. In the last 24 hours, we've seen a strong upward movement. Baby Coin has been going up and up, showing around a 70% increase, which is a really good sign for holders. That kind of momentum is exactly what investors want to see, especially when a coin is still gaining traction. Now let's talk about the big question. Can Baby Coin hit $1? The answer is, it's very, very possible. With strong community support, increasing trading volume, and especially if it gets listed on Binance, there's a real chance we could see a big breakout. But of course, the crypto market is always unpredictable, so always do your own research before investing. That said, the current trend looks promising and many investors are already keeping close eye on it. If you're new to our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.